hear about the plane crash and the robbery this morning.
It is controlled by three things: drugs, gangs, and politicians. In the streets where I live, it is dog eat dog. Our system was designed by corruption, and our people are divided by election.
Hello? Yeah, I tell you that the equipment is coming in tonight. So what?
First, this evening, a major multi-agency investigation is underway to determine what led to a plane entering Jamaica's airspace and the subsequent emergency landing in Rocky Point.
Them dead. Here.
What the fuck, Chinese boy? Jesus!
Then Pinky.
Frequently, notorious Bigovic. Yo, CB, I see a man power to the hey, them no bad none at all. No, them no bad none at all.
Yes, Mama. And Miss Blossom Big Son Mears again.
There, you know, God.